Hi, I am Mohammad Ikramullah Siddiqui, your lecturer in English as well as chemistry. This is my first lecture in chemistry. Topic natural rubber. As we all know, natural rubber is obtained from the tree, but very few know it is obtained from a tree known as Hevea brasiliensis. And the first person who discovered this was Presley in 1789. He discovered a material was oozing out from a tree, and he used that material for rubbing the pencil mark, and he gave the name rubber. Now, what is natural rubber? Natural rubber is high molecular weight natural polymer. As we are obtaining is naturally, that's why it is high molecular weight natural polymer, polyisoprene. Remember this name, polyisoprene, in which monomer is isoprene. From here we got the idea it is addition polymer. Reason you can see isoprene is changing into polyisoprene, and its general formula is C5H8. As it is obtained from the tree Hevea brasiliensis, we already have discussed this. So it is Hevea brasiliensis, this is the spelling, chemically known as cis-1,4-isoprene with monomer 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene. The name little bit it is difficult, 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene. Let us discuss the structure. This structure is this one, but I will explain you how to write the structure. Buta. The buta means you have to write 4 carbon atoms with single bonded. Then you have to give the number. You can start from here as well as here. I have started from here 1, 2, 3, 4. At second position I have attached CH3 group, which is nothing but 2-methyl. So 2 position methyl group is attached. Already you know buta, 4 carbons. So then 1,3-butadiene. So at first carbon and at the fourth carbon we are attaching third carbon. First carbon and third carbon we are attaching double bond. So here you can see the structure 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene, which undergoes actually addition polymerization to form polyisoprene. So isoprene, in short, it is known as isoprene 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene. It is forming polyisoprene. Whenever addition polymer is formed, double bond, wherever double bonds are there, you can see there are 2 double bonds. These 2 double bonds will break and single bonds are attached from both the sides. So you can see there are 2 single bond, one from here and one from here. One more important thing here is we have to take double bond in the middle. So many students will commit mistake here, they will forget to write double bond. Reason for double bond is 4 carbon valency is 4, so 4 bonds should be present around the carbon. So here 4 bonds are there, 1, 2, 3, 4. If 1 bond is present, it becomes 3. So now it became 4. Now this is the correct structure of polyisoprene. You can see n times. Here also we have to take n times. Now why its name is cis-1,4-polyisoprene. Chemically why it is known as cis-1,4-polyisoprene. Actually this polyisoprene, X-ray diffraction studies revealed. When they have done X-ray diffraction study, then they came to know its structure is cis-1,4-polyisoprene. So same structure, this structure I am writing in the cis form. How to write? C is the double bond is present between 2 C's. So you can see C double bond C. And if you see here, this carbon is attached to CH3 group and CH2 group. So this carbon you can see it is attached to CH2 group and CH3. You can attach CH2 below as well as above. If you are taking this CH2 as above, you can take CH3 below. Only thing is CH2 should be on the same side of the double bond. Either it can be below or it can be above. Then if you see this carbon is attached to one hydrogen and one CH2. You can see this carbon, it is attached to one hydrogen and one CH2. So why I have given name cis? Because CH4 is attached to the same side of the double bond. 1 and 4 position you can see CH2 is attached. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Again CH2 is at 4th position. So 1 and 4. So that's why 1,4-polyisoprene. Now let us see what is the processing of natural rubber. Processing of natural rubber can be asked for 3 to 5 marks. So first, latex is collected from the trunk of the tree, from the bark of the tree, or you can say trunk of the tree. V-shape cuts are made. When V-shape cuts are made, what will happen? The material, milky white colloidal emulsion, which ooze out or it comes out from the tree when cuts are made. So what will happen? We will collect that material, and that material is called latex, which contains 25 to 45% of the rubber. Then after every 6 months, This latex is collected after every 6 months in a container or a vessel, and this process of collecting latex is called tapping. Remember the name tapping. Now latex, which contains 25 to 45% of rubber, is diluted. Dilution, you know, it is done with the help of water, so we get diluted latex. And now rubber concentration will decrease from 25 to 45 to it becomes 15 to 20%. Reason for that is we have added water. Now some people will ask why we have added water, it is decreasing the concentration. Reason is dirt will be present in the latex as it is kept in the open, so dirt will be present. That's why we should add water, make it diluted latex, then filter it out. When we filter, dirt will get removed. Then coagulation is done with the help of 5% acetic acid or formic acid. I have written formula, you can write the name also, acetic acid or formic acid. So we get dove-like mass. Dove-like mass means like when we prepare chapati, we use flour and water. How the mass will look, it is dove-like. So it is called as coagulum. Then coagulum is rolled into sheets. Rolling is done, sheets are prepared. Then drying is done. Either it can be in air or it can be in the smoked houses. In both the cases, drying is done at 50 degree centigrade. When we are using air, we get creep rubber, and when we are using smoke houses, we get smoked rubber. So smoke houses doesn't mean that we are using a smoke, means it is kept in a house and all. Just we are drying it in the smoke with the help of, you can say, wood. When we burn wood, smoke will come out. That smoke is used. Or we can use coconut shells to create smoke. So we get smoked rubber. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please like it, subscribe it, and tell to others also. If possible, I will create more number of videos.